My name is John Jones. I am the Regulatory Compliance Manager for Dynamisk, and I look after anything to do with the regulatory inspections regardless of discipline.
My name is Kim Bai. I am the Assistant Manager and the Compliance Monitoring System Administrator at Dynamisk for the Inspections Group.
As an accredited agency, we are the third-party inspection choice for corporations. An accredited corporation is one that has taken on that role, has an active legal QMP, and part of what they do next for their regulatory obligations is to contract an accredited agency. Our corporate clients contract us to then take care of all their regulatory compliance requirements.
By contracting an accredited inspection agency, a corporation is in essence offloading the responsibility of inspection scheduling to the agency.
There's actually many benefits to being an accredited corporation, but I think the main benefit is the ability to have a consistent approach. Each and every time you perform regulatory inspections, based on your program and on your QMP, the results will be repeatable. There's a cost saving there, and you can capture that knowing how your agency will react and what to expect during the regulatory program.
For instance, with packaged equipment inspections, a corporation is not required to pay permit fees for shop inspections, and the inspection agency is in direct contact with the vendor for scheduling those inspections. This in turn allows the vendor to turn out a compliant product prior to shipping, which is hugely cost effective because it's very expensive to fix deficiencies in the field. In Alberta, the Safety Codes Council of Alberta requires that corporations are audited every 3 years. And by having a compliance monitoring system in place to be able to track incidents, variances, number of inspections, what's being corrected and how many compliant sites do you have, that's all part of the accreditation requirements, the QMP requirements that the Safety Codes Council asks of all corporations. So having all this data at your fingertips is essential in passing these audits and knowing that as a corporation that you're operating in a safe manner. And that is ultimately the goal of the whole system. And you want to have an agency backing you to make sure that you're compliant and everything is safe and working as it should be.
So what we've talked about so far today is basically just touching the surface of what it means to be an accredited corporation working with an accredited agency. There's a great deal more to learn. If you want to basically get more involved, you could look at the webinar, and it goes into greater detail about all of these options.